So this program in C language is to find NPR. NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial, and we use functions in this program. So look at that first line. First line is your header file, hash include stdio.h, standard input output. The second line is your function declaration, int factorial within brackets int semicolon is your function declaration. Name of the function is factorial with one argument, and the return type is int here. That is the reason why it is int factorial. In any function declaration, something like int factorial, then it's product tree. We have a return statement in function definition. So look at the variables n, r, npr. We need to read n and r values inputs. As the denominator is n minus r factorial, you need to check n minus r must not be 0. So if n greater than or equal to r and n greater than or equal to 0 and r greater than or equal to 0, then only we are going to calculate factorial of n by factorial of n minus r. These two are your function calls. As I told you, name of the function is factorial with one argument. Factorial within brackets n by factorial of n minus r are the function calls. And we are printing the value of NPR. If the condition is not satisfied, it is an invalid entry. Look at the declarations. N and r are declared as integer and NPR is declared as float. Look at that function call again. NPR is equal to factorial of n by factorial of n minus r. The float within brackets is your typecasting. Check out all the possibilities of typecasting. Do we need float here or do we need float at the denominator? So that, check it out. So look at the function definition. Int factorial within brackets int num. Num is your formal parameter. And we have the logic to find the factorial of any number. Return FACT, as the function definition is in prototype 3. Functions with arguments with return values. So during the first call, factorial of n value is passed to num and the result is returned back. During the second call, factorial of n minus r, the n minus r value is passed to num and the result is returned back.